Hello everyone, welcome to Chidibiri Maths class. Today we'll be looking at this question which is under change of subject formula. The question says, make R the subject of the formula V equal to pi r squared h. So we are required to make R the subject of what? The formula. Here, in making subject of formula, we are asked to make that particular letter to stand alone. Here we are asked to make R to stand alone on one side of the equal sign. So now as V here V is standing alone on the left hand side of this equal sign. So that's what they also want us to do using what? R. Alright, let's write the question. V is equal to pi r squared h. So the first thing we do here is to divide both sides by the coefficient of r squared, which is pi h. Here we are going to make r squared the subject of the formula first before we can make r the subject of the formula. So we are going to divide by the numbers beside r, which is pi and what? H. So we have v divided by pi h equal to pi r squared divided by pi h. So h will cancel out h, so we have 1. Pi cancel out pi, we have 1. So we are left with what? R squared. So we have v over pi h is equal to r squared. So having gotten this, you can now make r the subject. Here, r squared is the subject of this formula, but we are asked to make what? R the subject of the formula. So what we have to do is to take opposite of square is what? Square root. For us to get r here, we take the square root of r squared. That will give us r. So we take the square root of both sides. So as you take the square root of r squared, you also take the square root of what? V over pi h. So we have the square root of v over pi h is equal to the square root of r squared. So the square root of r squared is what? R. Or you can say that the square will cancel out the square root. So when we do that, we are left with what? R. Then which is equal to v over pi h, the square root of v over pi h. So I say therefore r is equal to the square root of v over pi h. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like and share. If you have any question, please go to comment section and put the question there. I will reply you. Bye bye.